that I have purchased this from Amazon. So I'm now going to show you how you can get it installed at your home. There is hardly a video to show you the demo to how to install this. So that's the reason I thought I might show you that you can get this installed at your home. So I'm just trying to remove this quick. Okay, so finally I've removed it, and I can see that there are a couple of parts, which is like in dismantle parts that they have shipped it. So it's very easy to install it, guys. I have already done one, so I thought I would share this one with you. This is a nightstand, and I would leave the link below. So if you guys are planning to buy anything from Amazon, or if you guys are planning to buy the same nightstand, you can just click the link below in the description box and you can order it. It would take somewhere around 2 to 3 weeks. That's the time frame, because I think once you order, that's when they go ahead and create this for you. These are like all custom made. There are various colors available. I opted for the white because my entire furniture is white. You guys can choose black and any other color. And it retails for, I think, $2,999 each. So that's how it is. And this is amazing. Same like the IKEA one. So I have a few from IKEA that I do it myself kind of thing. And this is also similar to IKEA. So people, if you are interested to get your nightstand changed, definitely you can try this one. So right now I'm just removing everything so that I can show you part by part how you can install this, or how you can get this connected, and you can make it into a form where you can actually get a beautiful nightstand, and at a very, very inexpensive way. Because the same kind of a nightstand, if you go to any other store, maybe Home Sense, or if you go to any other store, it's really expensive. Okay, so just don't mind the mess, guys. Okay, so there will be numbers here. I'll just bring this close. So if you can see, not numbers actually, these are like letters. If you can see, from the English alphabet, there will be letters. So F is there. You have J. You have I. So you have to find the same kind of things. They would also provide you with the screws, if you can see, and the handle for the drawer. Okay. So we have to now start from this one. Okay, this one is F, if you can see that. This one is also F. So how you do it, the markings. So F goes on F, like this. Yeah, so this is, if you can see, this is F, and yeah, so this is F as well. I think it will go the other way around. Yes, that's how it will go. So it will face like this, if you can see, F and F. So that's the first lot. This is the bottom. And I actually searched a lot for the video for the installation of this particular one, but since there is none, it was really very difficult for me to get this installed. They sent a code with this, but the code was not working, so I couldn't find the video working for me. Okay, right, yeah, here we go. And yes, so now you need to make sure that you actually place it on the holes that's there, and you just put the screw in. Okay, so they have given me a screwdriver, and I don't know where I kept mine, but that's how you need to plug it in. Oops. Okay, here it is. If you can see. Nice and tight. This one also goes in nice and tight. Okay, great, this is nice. So this F is done, so we have to search for the other one, which would be, there would be a number marking here. Okay, it says I and J, so we have to search for something like I, and here it is, I. So I, as I told you, I goes on I. So here we put this. Okay, little bit of like a puzzle kind of a thing, but okay, yes, if you can see, this I goes on I. I. So that's the right way to fix it. I'm gonna fix it right now. So here we go, and let me get some more of this. Okay, I'm just trying to find the right point to get it. Okay, this one's done. Then we need to put on to the other one. And make sure that it's done as well. Okay. Alright, so it's done. So then we have to fix the other side. So you have to look for the number again, and there will be a number somewhere. Okay, so that's J. So we need to search for J. A piece with J. Okay, yes, I got a piece with J. So this one goes up here. It says J, so it's again, if you can see, I'll try and zoom in to show you J on J. It shows, can you see guys? J on J, yeah, that's how it should be placed, and then we will try and connect this again. Okay, pretty simple actually. Same like the IKEA drawers that we get, but this is lack of instruction, I would say. That's the reason. Might be a little difficult in the first go, but then if you follow this video carefully for this particular product, probably it will be easy for you guys to get it installed. Okay, nice and tight. Okay, what happened to this one? It's not going. Yes, fixed it. So this is how you fix it. Oh guys, that's really tight. Perfect. So the base is now done for you guys. Now what you need to do is you need to find the next number. It says, okay, G and H, if you can see. So we have to find one box which says G and H, and probably I think this should be the same size. Yes, that's what it says, G and H. Do you see, guys? Can you see that? G and H. So you need to, okay, and you fix this again. Quickly. This part is done, then we have to do the other side. So make sure it's in the right place. Okay, this one's done, and we are just left with, I think, a couple more, and it will be fixed. Our beautiful nightstand would be up. So we have the base ready. Now it's time for the drawer to be set. So this is the pieces for the drawer. If you can see, B and D it says, and the other part says A and E. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. And you see there's a line here, so you need to keep it straight, facing each other. Now you need to find a piece which would say the same thing, D and E. So I can see that here. It says D and E. Okay, no, that's the other way around, I guess. here is the D and here is the E. So let's just quickly fix it. Okay. Do I see the hole here? Yes, I do. I do see that. So you can just keep it like this, and then you put it this side as well, and then after it's done you can just start setting it. Okay, where do I go? Here is it. Okay, lovely. We're almost there, guys. I am so happy that I am so creative. I was able to assemble this myself. Wow, I'm so happy about it. Okay, this is nice and tight. This side we need to work a little bit on this one. Okay, then comes the part. Oops, sorry about the mess, guys. Okay, so I just need to open this up, I guess. Yes, the sheet needs to be opened. Okay, so this one goes in between these two, and it sits like this. Okay, and also to set this up, there is a small pin. If you can see this, just make sure it's straight. Put the small pin in. Okay, just press it. Okay, yeah, it's setting. Okay, I guess this side is a little loose. I need to just fix it. Maybe. Kinda okay. Why is this one giving me a little pain? Oh, sweet little pockets. Yeah, it's done. Okay, I guess the drawer is ready. And okay, we just fixed the front part of it. This is the front part. It says A and B, and we have A and B here. So we just wiggle it. Oops, the other way around. it's A and B. That's right. Okay. Okay, so you quickly fix this one, the other one, and your nightstand is ready. So I'll quickly just fix it. Ooh, it's a lot of work. Oh, not really. Just kidding, guys. But it's fun. This is the first ever assembly that I have done on myself. And it's quite a fun, trust me. Okay, so the drawer is ready. Now you just need to put the handle on, and there is a handle like this. You can change the handle if you want. If you want a different color, you can probably use a different color handle or something like that. But if you want to keep it, you're welcome to do that as well. Okay, so the drawer is ready. The nightstand is ready, if you can see. So now we put the drawer in it. It goes in like this. Wow, you see? So this is how it looks. So if you want to cover this black, this small little bowls, that they've also given some white tape kind of a thing with the glue along with it. So you can just put the glue on it and you can just stick it all white so that nobody can see the black ones, and you can just do it like this, kind of. Then it will only show all white. That is if you want to do it. So guys, I would leave a link in the description box and how I'm gonna make this. Utilize, how I would utilize this as my nightstand and how I would decorate this as my nightstand. And leave me a comment below if you guys like this.